You got what?
Hiccups.
What are hiccups?
I need some water.
You need water? You gonna drink it upside down?
No.
How do the hiccups go away?
I don't know.
You like hiccups?
Hiccups. Hiccups.
What are you listening to in the headphones?
I got a hiccup. I got hiccups still.
A hiccup still? I'm gonna have to get you some water, and you're gonna have to drink it upside down and plug your nose.
No.
How about hold your breath? Hold it. Oh.
What are we going to do?
I don't know.
I don't like hiccups.
You don't? Why not?
I don't like it.
Does it hurt?
No.
How come you don't like hiccups? Alright, Mama, get you some water. Okay? Now drink it fast and don't stop. Is it working? Oh, nope. Are they gone? Are they gone?
Maybe.
Drink some more.
I see ripple.
You see a ripple?
Ripple camera.
You see a ripple in the camera? I see it too. I see your face through the cup. It looks cool. It's got a big mouth. Meow. Okay, hiccups gone? I think they're gone. I think that water did the trick. What are you making the funny face for?
Hiccup.
Uh-oh.
The hiccups are gone now.
They are? So what made it go away?
Water. Hold your breath a little time.
Hold your breath a little time in water. That is the cure for hiccups, right? Yeah.
Maybe. Look, out of water.
Mm-hmm. Bye.
Bye.